I've been slowly upgrading my office into a proper smart workspace. Smart lights, smart speakers, smart thermostat. But every morning I still had to walk over and manually open the blinds. It doesn't sound like a big deal until you realize you're doing it every single day. So I decided to fix that. Instead of buying a cheap retrofit motor, I went all in and ordered a fully custom-made smart blind from SmartWings. I measured the window, configured every option myself, had it shipped all the way to the UK, installed it, connected it to SmartThings using Matter over Thread, and I've now been living with it long enough to tell you whether it's actually worth your money. There were a couple of surprises along the way. Some things I absolutely love, and a few things you definitely need to know before ordering. Let's get into it. There are loads of companies selling smart blinds these days, but SmartWings kept coming up during my research. One thing that really stood out was just how much choice you get. On their website, you can customize almost everything. You can choose roller blinds, honeycomb or cellular blinds, zebra blinds, Roman blinds, woven wood, outdoor shades, curtains. Then you choose your fabric, light filtering, blackout, solar fabrics, different colors, mount type, measurements, motor, remote, accessories. It's one of the most configurable blind websites I've used. I also liked that they support loads of smart home ecosystems including Matter, Apple Home, Alexa, Google Home, SmartThings and more, depending on the motor you choose. Here's exactly what I ordered. White honeycomb blind, light filtering fabric, Matter over thread motor, Helix dial remote, solar charging panel, inside mount, and this is installed here in my office. I deliberately went with light filtering rather than blackout because this room is where I work every day. I still wanted plenty of natural light, just without all the glare on my monitors. I think it was the right decision. The room feels much softer throughout the day. One thing I really liked was the ordering process. Everything is laid out step by step. You simply work through each section, choose your blind style, fabric, color, measurements, motor, remote, solar panel, mount type, and a few finishing touches. If you're new to buying custom blinds, it actually makes things surprisingly straightforward. One recommendation: order some fabric samples first if you're unsure. Photos on a monitor never look exactly the same as real fabric. The website also includes measuring guides for inside and outside mounts, which are worth following carefully before you place an order. This is probably the biggest tip I can give. Take your time measuring. Seriously, you're ordering a custom product. If your measurements are wrong, that's on you. Thankfully, the SmartWings website explains exactly how to measure for inside and outside mounts. I measured mine twice, then measured it again just to be safe. Thankfully, it fitted perfectly. I know quite a few viewers will be wondering, what's delivery like to the UK? Honestly, it was excellent. I received regular email updates. Packaging was incredibly sturdy. Everything arrived safely. No dents, no damage. Everything inside was protected really well. It felt like a premium product from the moment I opened the box. Installation was actually much easier than I expected. Mine was an inside mount. From start to finish, it took me roughly an hour. That included taking my time filming everything. The brackets go up first. Then the blind simply clips into place. The instructions were easy to follow. I didn't run into any problems. One thing I appreciated: the blind was already calibrated from the factory. That meant I didn't have to spend ages adjusting upper and lower limits. It just worked. That saved quite a bit of setup time. This is one of the reasons I bought SmartWings. I specifically chose the Matter over Thread motor. Now, it's worth mentioning, SmartWings offers several different motor options, so make sure you choose the version that's compatible with your smart home before ordering. In my case, I'm using SmartThings. Adding the blind was straightforward. Once connected, I could control it from my phone, voice assistants, automations, or the Helix dial remote. This thing is actually nicer than I expected. Instead of just pressing buttons, you've got the rotating dial. It feels much more premium. It's responsive, easy to use, and honestly, sometimes it's quicker than reaching for your phone. Would I recommend buying one? Definitely. Even if you mainly use voice control, it's handy having a physical backup. I also added the optional solar charging panel. Personally, I'd recommend it. Once installed, you don't really think about charging the blind anymore. It's a small extra cost, but I think it's worth it for convenience, especially if your window gets plenty of daylight. This is where smart blinds really start to shine. Every morning, mine automatically opens at sunrise. Then in the evening, it closes at sunset. I don't touch it. I don't think about it. It just happens. That's the beauty of home automation. It feels like one of those small luxuries that quickly becomes normal. Then when you visit someone else's house, you suddenly realize, oh yeah, I'm usually not opening blinds manually anymore. What do I genuinely like? Quite a lot actually. The build quality feels excellent. The motor is nice and quiet. Installation was straightforward. The ordering process was simple. The customization options are brilliant. Matter support works really well. The solar panel means less maintenance. The honeycomb fabric looks fantastic, and the light filtering material gives me exactly the balance I wanted between privacy and natural light. No product is perfect. There are a couple of things I'd mention. Firstly, measure carefully. Seriously, take your time. Secondly, smart home setup can be a little confusing if you're completely new to Matter or Thread. It's not difficult, but you do need to make sure you've chosen the correct motor for your ecosystem, and that you already have a compatible Thread border router. Once that's sorted, everything worked well for me. So, would I buy SmartWings again? Absolutely. The whole experience, from ordering, to delivery, to installation, has been genuinely positive. The quality exceeded my expectations. The integration with SmartThings has been reliable, and having the blinds automatically open and close every day is one of those smart home upgrades that makes your house feel just a little bit more futuristic. If you're already invested in a smart home, I think these are well worth considering. If you're thinking about ordering one yourself, I'll leave links down in the description so you can explore the different blind styles, fabrics, motor options, remotes, and accessories available on the SmartWings website. They even have measuring guides and fabric samples to help you choose the right setup before you order. If you've got any questions about my setup, leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to help. If you enjoyed this review and found it useful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more smart home and tech content here on TechFigure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.